Hello guys, I want to show in this video how I was unpacking my new mattress. Came from Walmart at a good deal. I paid for the whole thing, I'll tell you at the end, but check it out. I never unpacked a new mattress. And look, it's compressed with springs and the foam, everything in this roll here. So I'm kinda careful because I don't know what to expect from it. And at the end, looks like it's not that bad, not that difficult, but they say do not cut, do not do this, so it's kind of okay, I have time, take my time and check this slowly. Line up the mattress, roll it out. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. And soon as I rolled it out, and I could hear the hissing sound, so the air started filling up the mattress. It just took a good minute or so that mattress was filled with air. What I realized, mattress is upside down. Well, the way it was rolled in, and we're going to flip it. Yep. I'm just waiting a little extra minute and I'll flip it up and see what's cooking. Actually, I'm quite happy with everything. Delivery was fast and the quality is good. I got less than for half price everything. The bed was $460. I got it for $160. And the mattress was $450 and I got it for $200. It's a queen size bed and a queen size mattress. Please subscribe, like it and share it. I will try to do more videos since I'm not driving for the time being. I'm recovering after an accident, so that's why I'm showing you those videos instead of being on the road or in Thailand. Here I am, the mattress fully good. I just have to take the big bag off and I'm just checking how to take it. And we'll see. I try not to use much scissors here and maybe just cut at the end. And this is flipped and unpacked. Look at this big thing. I love it. Nice. And I didn't expect that quality. It's good quality, everything. Bad. And the mattress is pretty good quality. And I'm trying, maybe a little bit too soft, but I don't think so. Like when I'm laying down, it's quite comfortable for the butt, for the back and everything else. Well guys, thanks a lot for joining, subscribing, liking and sharing it. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.